Wow, look at that, Gigi. Isn't this the most beautiful fish you've ever seen?
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too.
Yay!
Oh, hello. Hi, Gigi. How are you? Oh, I'm very well today. Thank you. Do you know what we're going to do today? We're going to draw some things, like a sun, a house, a flower. What do you think? Let's do this. Okay, so we have paper and we have a lot of colors. Oh, wow. So what color do we need for the sun? I think it's yellow. So we will choose yellow. But we can play with the colors, you know. We can add a bit of orange. We will see. So let's start for the sun. Big circle. This. Oh, wow. And this. Wow, look at that. So we have a large circle and plenty of triangles. Isn't that amazing? Let's color it. We can use some orange too. It will look really nice. Wow.
Wow!
Yellow.
Wow!
Orange.
Wow!
Wow, look at that, Gigi. What a nice sun. You know, there's an easier way to do this. Look at that. Here's another sun, like a smaller one. You can do this, like a circle, and then some lines.
Wow!
Look, this is so much easier. Here's another sun. Wow. And now let's draw a flower.
Wow!
Now let's choose a very beautiful color. Pink, like my hair. Wow.
Wow!
Wow. This is so nice and very simple. And you can play with it, and you can do that. It will be a very colorful flower. Look.
Wow!
Wow. Green.
Wow!
blue. And now let's do an easier version of the flower. So we'll have the circle and just a petal. Just like that. And that's it. And you can color it or not, but I will. Of course I will.
Wow!
Okay. What else? Let's draw a fish.
Wow!
Wow, a fish. So what color should we choose? Let's have the gray one. Okay. Let's draw a fish. Okay.
Wow!
Wow, let's make a colorful fish, like a really, really colorful one. So I will use plenty of colors. Look. Green. This is a very happy fish. Purple. Light green. Red.
Wow!
Pink.
Wow!
Orange.
Wow!
Light blue.
Wow!
Wow, look at that, Gigi. Isn't this the most beautiful fish you've ever seen? I think so. Okay, now let's draw a house. And I will use brown. So, we'll have a square. This.
Wow!
Now the roof, a triangle. Two windows.
Wow!
We can draw a fence too. Like this. Wow.
Wow!
Orange.
Wow!
Yay!
Purple.
Wow!
Blue.
Wow!
Light purple.
Wow!
Oh wow, we have a house too. So let's see. First, we did a sun. Actually, two, because this one was much easier. We had the circle and with all the triangles, and in here we only had the circle and some lines. It was so easy to do it. And then two flowers. What do you think, Gigi? Do you like them? Oh wow, it's so colorful and nice. Look at that. I did this. You should try to do it at home too. Wow. And then we had the fish. A very colorful and happy fish. Look, Gigi. And then a house. A tiny little happy house. With purple and orange and blue. Wow, amazing. I really, really hope you like it, Gigi, and I can't wait to do more. Wow. And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.